Hello, good morning.
Hey, good
We're
morning.
here for a 4 mile run walk.
Yeah,
Got a
run a
new
walk.
trail opening up here in Little Rock, so we're gonna.
It's a christening of the trail,
Oh,
grand opening, and they're gonna have breakfast tacos and mimosas at the end.
That's the only reason I'm here for is the tacos.
Mimosas.
Tacos.
Both.
Tacos.
Yard.
So we are at Beard Park, and we are going to be part of a opening of a brand new Lakefront trail, which is going to be a biking running trail. So this park, when we first got here, did not look like this.
No, not at all.
All these were old rundown wood. Now they've totally upped them. There's little trees.
Pretty cool.
It's pretty awesome.
It's really nice.
It looks very nice.
It's so crazy. This is our first time actually over here.
Oh, but this,
It's crazy. I love history.
I believe, we'd have to look it up, was the original post office in Little Rock.
That is so cool.
And they kept it. And this is a log cabin next to it. Miss Eva's cabin in honor of Eva Dennis. So this log cabin might have some history to it, so we have to look at that as well. Oh, it's over here. Okay, we are actually on a
Long time.
school bus. It's been quite a long time.
Seats.
You guys remember this? If any of you ever rode a school bus? These seats aren't really built for adults, I'll tell you that. Okay, we've been dropped off at the end of the trail. That's our ride back there, if you can see it. Very high class, loved it.
Great
And-
leg room.
Alright, this is where we're starting. This is Lakefront Trail. We're gonna make this a 4 mile morning. But we get tacos at the end of this.
Deal for us. You probably have known Little Elm's been building trails for a long time. I remember when I first moved here, the Johnny Broyles Trail opened, and we've certainly come a long way in what we bring to the public now. We do community surveys periodically, and every time the number one thing that's requested is trails. Every time. It's amazing to see this one. It's several miles long, running right along the lake. It's a beautiful trip. I've ridden it twice. Amy and I brought the dogs out, once, and we walked for a pretty good portion of it. But it's a really pretty, especially this time of year, it's a really pretty walk. It's a really pretty run. And, the weather is getting to the point where it's a little more manageable. But this isn't it. We'll start the Harts Branch Trail here in a couple of months. Construction on that will start in January, and that'll go up through Villages of Wood Lake, Sunset Point, and connect into this trail. And then ultimately that'll tie into the trails at Frisco Hills and Frisco Ranch, onto Valencia, and then there are additional trails up at Union Park. So this is going to run all over town, and the way it's designed is ultimately, once all of the cities kind of build in Frisco, the Colony, all of our trails will connect together. So you'll be able to go to Dallas, in 30, 40 years. These will be able to go to Dallas someday on a trail system. So if you really want a good bike ride, you can just follow the Trinity all the way in. It's a great thing. But really do appreciate you coming out. It's going to be a pretty big thing today, and there's a bunch of stuff going on today. So I hope you take advantage of all of it. After this, at the end of this one, Hula Hut will be selling breakfast tacos, and there'll be free mimosas available for everybody. Not everybody. At Towers. There'll be orange juice available for everyone. A little extra for the adults. Following this, there's an open house at the firehouse today, at the fire station. We'll be rolling in a new truck, so that's a pretty exciting deal when we do those. Following that one, there's a book sale at the library today. There's a craft fair at the senior center. Thank you. Up at Union Park, they have a big festival each year called A Taste of Union Park. So if you're not familiar with that, it's at 380 and 423 up in that area. There's just a lot going on today. And then tonight is the Chamber of Commerce's casino night. So I hope you guys take advantage of all of it. Hope to see all of them. And now we're going to get this thing started. So thanks so much for coming, and enjoy your walk, run. You have to wait. Whenever I say go, you just run right through it, okay? On your mark. Oh. That's our town manager, Matt Mueller.
Should they wait for their parents?
Yeah, don't run away from your parents, though. On your mark, get set, go!
All right, time to start walking the trail. 4 miles later.
Oh my God.
Kids are still going.
That's pretty cool that we can actually bring our bikes out. We can actually go biking now.
Yeah.
Well, I need to get my tire fixed.
Yeah, we'll fix it.
But now we don't have to I don't have to get a bike ride on my car. We can actually just come straight over here where we live quite close.
Yeah.
So this is great.
Mile 2. Get some water. Mile marker number 2. How you doing, sir?
All right, how you doing?
Doing good.
Good.
Enjoy your morning.
Yes.
Get some water, some recharge. Finish this bad boy up. Keisha's right up there. It's directly ahead. All right. Say bye-bye to the water. Let's do this. All right, still on the trail. There's the lakefront, if you can see it pretty good. I think we got maybe 1.5 miles. Got a bridge upcoming. There's the main roadway, El Dorado. And that's where we came from, way out there. So there's a quick glimpse of it. And Keisha's way up there about to round that tree. So I need to catch up and quit videoing. But I wanted to get some of the scenery for you. Keisha's way ahead. Can't even see her anymore. I stopped to walk, film, catch my breath. Coming up on mile marker number 1. Meaning 1 more mile to the finish line. 1 more mile to tacos. Now I'm gonna get some water and continue the trek. So for perspective, there's Los Jalapenos. Can't really see the water tower off in the distance. About to go behind those trees. And over there is the finish line. I just have to make it over there. And I obtain the coveted prize of tacos. It's sad. Tacos are my only motivation for running 4 miles in the morning when I could just drive and buy them. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes. Finish line right there. Let's do this. Here we go. We get the bubbles. We get the bubbles. Woo! And now we got water, but we want the tacos. Going to the tacos. We did it. 4 miles. Maybe 50 minutes for me. Maybe about 45 for Keisha. Not for tacos. All right, so we already scarfed down our taco.
Tired.
Got some orange juice. Here is our medal.
Really?
Here is our medal. It says made in China. Flip it around. All right, so it's from Hula Hut. Actually, it doesn't say anything, but we decided to get this to add to the collection of medals. We used to do a lot of 5Ks.
Yes.
Back in 2015. I kind of stopped running because I chose to eat instead. Now we're going to the open fire. That's the main firehouse here in our city. And look at the turnout. That is a lot of cars parking
I
out
see a fire truck.
all out in the dark.
Initiation of a fire truck or new fire truck.
Yeah, we apparently, not we, but the city is apparently unveiling a new fire truck today. Maybe we get to be the first to ride in it. Very nice. It's all the equipment that goes in a fire truck. horses, their gear and their hoses. That is very nice. Oh, fire department. Here's the ladder truck. Open house. Engine 621. Pump truck. Brand new shovels. Wow, they even used the wheel wells. There's fire rescue. Ladder. Love it. It even smells new. Very, never forget. Very nice. Pretty much the same gear on that. Picks, ratchet straps, chains. Unit 622. Alright, so this is our ladder truck. I don't know if you can see the little emblem up there. Probably not that good. Alright, so now let's go and explore the inside of the fire department. Here's the hay maze. Not bad. It's good for those under, 10 years old maybe. It's pretty nice though, from Crossway Church. Here's the porch. Union Parks, Live Smart. So we're gonna go up there into the porch and go look for those food trucks. All right, food time. Oh, we're probably right in the sun.
Are we in the sun? Okay, so let's get out the sun. Do you want to be in front of the porch? Sorry.
No, the porch is right there. We'll just keep going in there. Oh, somebody's got a kite. Oh, here's all the food trucks. We got My Cupcake Garden. The Dumpling Bros over there. Steel City Pops. Bounce House is way out in the distance. Suddenly, Vital Pet. That's probably face painting. Oh, balloons over there. Balloons over here. And here's a close-up of the bubbles. Oh, that guy. That would be fun. Why didn't we have a bungee and a rock wall. Kiss FM was over there. Let's go see what they're giving away. Ooh, look at those houses. This is the kitchen. So right now it's Mi Cocina in the kitchen, serving up some tacos and some queso and all that. All right, so I'm putting my name in to try and win this TV. So if I win this TV, you'll know sometime in the future.
They're all inventory homes, so
They are, yeah. And that's
She's gonna try and win too.
sure.
We are going to eat at Harry's Farm to Flame food truck. They also have the Dumpling Brothers over there, and cupcakes. We're really looking forward to Skew U, but they are not here, so we're gonna go with this one. So 40 minutes wait, or actually 50 minutes with the 10 minutes in line for a 7-minute meal. But it was pretty good.
Pretty good. It's pretty good. I'm not a big sausage person, but yeah. I'm
You can eat that
hungry.
jalapeno?
No, I'm done.
You're not gonna eat that?
No, no, no.
Num 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 num.